the first one we've got here tonight is for Davie Kerr. It looks like it's a self-written one because he's got his book there, nothing like advertising, eh? And it's called Permission to Retire.
This was just about the time I was due to retire, and my family were all kind of interested in making sure that I got the pension. But it's a collogue with my son, and I was talking about this enterprise. Didn't work a system, Dad. You want to get your pension. Go and wee kist ablo the bed. You didn't need to mention. Tick all the wee boxes, then sign the form at the fit. Didn't fit. You didn't ken. You want your right there, yeah? With sic-like information, the computer can't cope. You might not be ration. I'll just get you 11 hope. But what did the woman say at your pension interview? She didn't quite say, no way are you getting it anew. Come back when you're 70. That's 310. A pension then will send you, provided you're no deed then. Your stamp was statutory, plus your share for other folk. But that's the end of the story. We hope you can take a job. Could I maybe hear a word before there's more inquiring? Your mother, with Dr. Kerr, is glad I'm not retiring.